If you want to work in professional baseball, like Wake Forest baseball analytics is a story that not many people can tell, and it will separate you from every other candidate.
We have something really special here that I think, has kind of drawn the interest of a lot of people, like including myself, to literally quit their job and come here.
I didn't know this was an option until I applied to Wake, and then the admissions director kind of let me know this was an option and sent me the application form, and I thought it was super interesting, a great way to use the skills I learned through the MSBA program and apply them in real life. I didn't even visit the school before I came. I just decided to take a leap of faith, and I'm very happy I did.
I saw this major, it was kind of perfect for me because it combined stats and math, which is something I really wanted to do and really have an interest in. And then I kind of got this business background where I'm now very comfortable, with the basics of accounting or finance. In my opinion, that's just information that you're always going to have, you're always going to use.
Game days, we all go to the field and we actually collect data together in order to do the different projects we do. And we all have different roles, and it's really great to be in tune with the game like that.
For me, I work a lot with the pitching coach and the pitching side of things, so kind of coming up with an approach of how are we going to get these guys out, how are we going to win the game, and how do we give our pitchers the best chance to succeed.
This is like a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to just kind of get super hands-on experience with a Division I baseball team that's quite frankly really good.
We all have one collective goal, which is to help Wake win, so we also get the bond over that.
Everybody's super energetic, and that makes it really fun to be around and really fun to do great work.
Everybody plays for each other. This is probably one of the more tight-knit groups I've ever been a part of.
What I knew coming in as a sophomore versus what I know now, I would almost think I knew nothing about baseball. It's been that much of a transformation. Just kind of being able to talk to coaches every single day, players every single day, understand how they're thinking, how they're feeling. Just my general knowledge of the game of baseball has grown exponentially.
The MBA program has really kind of helped develop me as a person, I would say, also, which is what I wanted to get out of it. Obviously, the learning is also great. Kind of what they have brought out of you as an individual has been the bigger impact for me. With
my machine learning classes and all the skills I've gathered from data, I've been able to make improvements both on the baseball analytics front, because coming in, I wasn't as skilled with the coding and wrangling data as I am now. It helps me build confidence in myself too, because I realize that I've grown so much through the MSBA program, and it's taught us a lot.
It's an unbelievably unique opportunity that not many people can put down on a resume. Everybody can kind of put down that they know R or Python or have watched baseball, but not many people can actually say that they've worked in baseball for 3 years as a collegiate student.
It's surreal, I will say, to see a team that you were watching on TV, right, go all the way to the College World Series in 2023, being like, wow, that's a special team. To now be a part of it and making an impact is surreal.
I recently accepted a job with the Phillies down in Florida, where I'm working as a hitting development analyst, working with some of their minor league players, minor league hitters, and kind of working to build out some of their systems. So, helping the development of their minor league players. My dream is to work in professional baseball. So working at Wake Forest and Wake Forest baseball helped me reach that kind of dream or that goal of getting my foot in the door of professional baseball, which is super exciting for me.